Ganito. Dance na dance. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray. Hooray.
Hug.
Hug the joke. Okay, again, look at the ano, pag-recite. What is your name?
Lyle McCris.
Boyser.
Boyser. Kabui.
How old are you?
4 years old.
Where do you go to school?
Where do you school?
No, where do you go to school? Ninya?
Nanya. Maya. Wale. Center.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Where do you live? Makasandig?
Makasandig.
Cagayan?
Cagayan.
De Oro?
De Oro.
City!
City.
Good job. What is... It's okay. Good job, man. What is your mama's name?
What is his mama's name?
My mama's name is...
My mama is
May.
May.
Lani.
Lani.
Boyser.
Boysa.
Gabula.
Gabula.
What is my dada's name?
What is Dada's name?
Chris.
Christopher.
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 Caceres.
Caceres.
Gabula.
Gabula.
What is Ate Gift's name? What is your sister's name?
What
Ate.
Ate.
Gift. Boyser.
Boysa.
Gabula.
Gabula.
What is Kuya Liam's name?
What is name?
Liam. Liam.
Liam.
Matthew.
Matthew.
Boyser.
Boysa.
Gabula.
Gabula.
Yay! Good job. No. Oh no, there's a video of us. Hug. Wild times plus good vibes. Oh, you have to read that? You know how to sing ABC? Okay, let's sing ABC. Ready, go. A, B. No.
A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T.
U.
U. V. W. X. Y. Z.
Yay! Good job. Hug. Give me a word that starts with letter A. A is for apple. Say apple. Apple.
Apple.
Okay. Another word. A starts with letter A. Ant.
Ant.
A alligator.
Alligator.
Okay, let's go to letter B.
B.
What word do you have in mind for letter B? B is for
Bear.
bear. Very good. B is for
B.
B. Very good. B is for
Badger.
High five. Titan. Okay, letter C. C is for
Cat.
Very good. C is for
Candle.
candle. Very good. C is for.
Candlelight.
Oh my gosh! Very good. High 10. Letter D. D. Kiss. Mwah. D is for
Dog.
dog. D is for
Duck.
duck. Very good. D is for
Delicious.
delicious. Okay, whatever that means. High 10, high 10. Okay, let's go to letter E. E is for
Elephant.
elephant. E is for E is for
Engine.
engine. Very good. That's one. E is for
Eel.
eagle. Yeah.
Eagle.
Eagle. Good job. Okay, let's go to letter F. F is for
Fox.
fox. F is for
Frog.
frog. F is for
Fish.
very good. Okay, let's go to letter G. G is for
Goat.
very good. G is for
Gorilla.
gorilla. G is for
Goat.
go. Wait, another goat. Another G.
Hmm. German Shepherd.
Very good job. Okay, let's go. G. Galisa to siya. German Shepherd yung answer. Let's go to
Giraffe.
letter
Giraffe.
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 Yeah. Let's go to letter H. H is for
Hippopotamus.
very good. H is for
Horse.
horse. H is for
Hat.
yes. High 10. Let's go to letter I. Let's go to letter I. I is for Lily. I is for
Iguana.
iguana. I is for
Igloo.
igloo. Very good. I is for
Ice cream.
high 10. Okay. Let's go to letter J. J. J is for
Jaguar.
very good. J is for
Juice.
very good. J is for
Jackal.
yes. High 10. Let's go to letter K. K is for
Kangaroo.
very good. K is for
Key.
very good. K is for
Cut.
very good. High 10, high 10. Say sorry to K. Let's go to letter L. L is for
Lion.
favorite lion. L is for
Leopard.
very good. L is for
Ladybug.
way. High 10. Let's go to letter M. Let's go to letter M. M is for
Monkey.
good. M is for
Mango.
Mango.
very good. M is for
Mama.
yay. Let's go to letter N. N is for
No.
no. N is for
Newt.
newt. N is for
Nose.
very good. High 10. Let's go to letter O. O is for
Octopus.
O is for
Off.
O is for
Orange.
very good. High 5. High 10. Let's go to letter P. P is for
Pig.
Pig. P is for P is for. Is it hard? Huh? Paper.
Parrot. Paper.
Very good. Double, double. Let's go to letter Q. Q is for.
Queen.
Q is for.
Quokka.
Q is for.
Kiwa.
You're so
No,
cute.
we're good.
LMNOPQ. R. Let's go to letter R. R is for.
Rabbit.
R is for.
Rabbit.
R is for.
Rainbow.
R is for.
Ring.
Very good. Let's go to letter S. S is for.
Snake.
S is for.
Snake.
Snake. S is for.
Snake.
Snake. Another. S is for.
Ship.
Good. S is for.
Sun.
Good. Let's go to letter T. T is for.
Tiger.
T is for.
Chain.
Chink.
Train.
Train.
Good. T is for.
Toes.
Toes.
Copy.
Very good, very
Yeah.
good, very good. Let's go to letter U. U. Let's go to letter U. U is for.
Umbrella.
Yes. U is for. Say that in U.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Orangutan.
Hoy, oh mo na. Oh, U is for.
Unicron. Unicron.
Unicorn.
Yes.
Unicorn
is
or
for-
unicron.
Another one, kuya. Last.
U is for
Under.
Underwear.
Underwear.
Good, good. Let's go to letter V. V, 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 V. V is for.
Wool.
what is a hole?
V is for.
Video.
Very good. V is for.
Violin.
Very good. Letter W, W, go. W.
Wolf.
Wolf.
Good. W is for.
What?
What? What?
Water.
Water.
Good. W is for.
Whale.
Well, good job. Okay, this is W. X. X is for.
Fox.
Fox. X is for.
Buck. X-ray.
Good. X is for.
Box.
Box. X is for. Xylophone.
Sailboat.
Okay, let's go to last two letters. The letter Y. Y is for.
Yak.
Y is for.
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
Y is for.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Good. And then the last letter. Letter Z. Z is for.
Zebra.
Z is for.
Zipper.
Z is for.
Zoo.
Yeah!
Hug.
Hagong! You're so smart.
Kiss.
Happy mama. Happy mama. Happy mama. Happy mama.
Ah.
Oh, that's the
Ah.
Happy mama. Happy mama. Happy. Happy mama. Happy mama. Let's brush our teeth. Go. You say bye to the camera. Bye. I-record mo na. Good night. Thanks for watching.